Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Solid buying from the FIIs with investments in the domestic equity is boosting market sentiments. This comes amidst hopes that the US President Trump may soften his trade policy following a sharp decline in the US consumer confidence to a 12-year low. The global rally is also seen as a positive factor for the market sentiment. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 26th March 2025, Nifty index opened positive above 23,750 and after touching a high of 23,869, it faced a slight rub-off from its opening levels. Minor profit booking was seen, but it held above 23,600 marks. After the dip in the first half of the session, it consolidated for the next half, but gave up in the last hour to finally close in minor gains. It formed a bearish candle on the daily chart but has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last 8 trading sessions. Index has recovered by 1900 points in the last 4 weeks and recouped the entire loss of the previous month. India VIX was up around 0.7% to 13.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.04. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,000 to 24,000, while immediate range is in between 23,400 to 23,800. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 5,372 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 2,769 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio increased to 33%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,600 for the next up move towards 24,000 levels, while support can be seen at 23,350 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 51,500 for the next up move towards 52,250 levels, while support can be seen at 51,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Persistent System, Ultratech Cement, Coforge, Trent, Bajaj Finserv, Godrej CP, Axis Bank, and Infosys. While some weakness could be seen in Dixon, Titan, IndusInd Bank, Angel One, and Hind Copper. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.